Let's replace the blade in my Hart miter saw. Yes, I have not replaced this blade in over a year. I'll be honest, this is the first time I've ever done this. It took me a minute to figure out how this all works because YouTube was just not helpful and I lost the manual. Nevertheless, I figured it out. After using the provided double-sided Allen wrench, it has both like a Phillips head and the Allen wrench on both ends. I used it to slightly loosen the 2 screws on the left-hand side to just allow that safety guard to sit up on top so that I could replace the blade. You use the little stopper that's on the right-hand side. It's the lock guard, and you pull it until the blade locks into place. Once you do that, then it makes it a whole lot easier to loosen up the main screw and to pull the old blade off. Now you go in the reverse and you do the same process. Just make sure that you're putting your blade on with the arrows pointing away from you and going up. This way the blades are actually pointing down and to the back of the saw. Like how you disassembled the saw to begin with, we're going to go in the reverse order, putting the saw blade back on and installing all of the screws using the Allen wrench. Drop your guard back into place and tighten the 2 screws. I know you're eager to get moving, but make sure your blade is square. You can use a T-square to check this process. Otherwise, happy building.